all. How are you all? So today is Friday and see, it's raining heavily. It's raining very heavily. In Chennai. It's evening and it's raining heavily. I will show you the trees. So this is what I'm showing. I'm showing my RO. Actually, have done my kitchen as a modular kitchen. But see, most of them leave the RO portion or maybe the chimney portion as such. So what happens is like the maintenance is very difficult because of that. So if you make a cabinet like this, the maintenance is very easy. The RO will be fitting inside it, and all the wires which is shown out now, see here, it is neatly kept inside, and it is also not getting damaged. It will be very neat. And this tray which I have placed below, it is removable. Anytime when you want to check the RO or service man, it is easy to remove for us. So I'm very particular about the kitchen. I want everything to be systematic. So you would have seen in my last video where wires were hanging. So now the RO person came. After that I called my carpenter and I have arranged in such a way. See, this is very beautiful. Pakka maintenance is also very easy, and even chimney I have covered like that. So it's very easy. And RO is mine is purette, and it is having the copper water as well. See here, my kitchen sink is outside, and as well as this thing what filter what we are doing, right, I have put it outside, so that because of gas flame or anything it won't turn black, as well as the kitchen will be neat. So now I am preparing ghee out of the butter. So this is bought from the butter shop. Actually that's very famous butter shop in Chennai. So I have showed you, I think last whenever I try to use butter, I'm telling you about that shop. If anyone wants, please do comment so that I can share the details of the shop. It is 100% pure and you will really like it. I am really fan of this butter. I prepare ghee because by using this butter itself, nothing can beat this butter. Actually, I don't like having ghee and all, but here when it comes to this, I'm totally having it. So nothing. I'm bringing the butter from the shop, and actually I'm storing it because it is in Mylapore in Chennai. It's in Mylapore, and I live in other part. So I go to Mylapore and bring it. So here, see, it's raining very heavily in Chennai. It's cyclone was what everyone are telling. No, this is not cyclone, it's monsoon rain. We had enough rain this time, and I'm very happy. See, it's raining heavily and there are thunderstorms as well. Really the weather is very pleasing now. Usually Chennai is very hot, right? When it comes to the people from my place, they will tell like, okay, it's very hot, but now it's cool. See, what I have done is I've kept the butter. I bring from the shop and store it in the freezer. It remains for 1 year also. Nothing happens for it. Then what I'll do is when I want it to melt, I just buy 3 or 4 kgs at a time, and I store it in the fridge. And then when I want to melt before 2 hours, I keep it out. And see here, because the person shopkeeper's outer layer he will be putting the newspaper, but inside, see, this is butter paper which we use for baking and all. So the person where I buy, right, what he does is he puts the butter in the butter paper, 2 butter papers, he covers it, and finally outer layer he puts the newspaper. So the basically we are not supposed to use, you by seeing the cover what I have shown you will be little confused. So I kept the butter outside the fridge before 2 hours, and then I kept it for melting in the iron tawa, cast iron tawa, kadai, not tawa. So now I'm doing my evening puja. So this is an important part of my house because I take dhoops here. Now butter it is melted and it is in the seal. So see here. So now people will have questions like there will be more of the black extract coming out. So what you have to do is to avoid it, you have to keep stirring it. If you keep stirring it, right, you will get a very less amount. I think sometimes 0% waste you will have. Here this is a little, I was doing other work, so I was not stirring, but this much is actually allowed because I love this. I mix little bit of jaggery, and if possible you can try with rice flour also. Mix that to the waste of it and eat it, but this is very little, so I don't have to put rice powder. I directly go with the jaggery and I'll consume it. So see here, this is the butter. This is really flavorful, and like this I melt and keep. So I have done my puja. I finished my Friday prayer. So it's raining. I'll show you the rain. After that I have done my prayer. So now today actually I'm going to show you two things which I have already done in the morning. One is ghee preparation using butter, and the other one is like the RO person came to fix. So I'll show you the demo for RO. See, in this kadai I have taken 1 kg of butter which I have melted using the pan, and now see, it is like I have kept in the steam. I have stirred it and now I am straining it. So the butter paper which was stuck to the butter, if I don't give enough time only, then I'll not be able to remove the butter paper. Else I can do. That's why you don't have to bother also. It will see while you're straining, that will come out. So same, this is like very nice. Here I'm straining it, and then I'll preserve it in my kitchen cabinet, not in the refrigerator also. I'll sometimes keep it for more than 3 months. It'll never spoil, because I am melting it. I am not buying from the shop the ghee. Butter also I am not buying, only butter I am buying from the shop. So this butter actually is so flavorful, and even ghee, that I don't like to prepare myself. Because of that I go with the 0% fat milk. See here, I am storing the ghee in this one, and it will be like that only in my kitchen cabinet. And the procedure of melting the butter is in the similar way. People try to add turmeric, they try to add tulsi, they try to add drumstick. No for anything. Just melt it. If you're buying the butter from that shop, then that's the procedure. But if you go with the other one, then I'm not sure. See, a grainy textured ghee. Actually I am really in love with this. Because of that I go with the sweets, and the sweet preparation also what I do, it's really mouth watering. I have reduced buying the sweets from the shops, but okay, when I don't have time, then what to do, I buy. But most of the time this ghee I'll use. Please do the like, comment and share. Thank you very much.